Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm out here, well technically for the whole weekend I'm out here at Buttonwillow Raceway. Yesterday I got a little late so I couldn't get out on the kart track, but there was a bunch of driving going on which was super cool. And today I finally got out here, and it's been a couple years but I've already been able to get out here and get a few laps in and have some fun. It's pretty damn cool, honestly. In my opinion, this is probably one of the best ways to get a little bit more experience on a motorcycle. This little Grom is luckily so slow it's hard to get into too much trouble. But it is really fun when you get your tires nice and warmed up. You can start actually getting your feet on the ground or your knees on the ground, and it's easy to get into that position on a little bike like this, which makes it a ton of fun. But today we're realistically just gonna ride the kart track, try and get a little bit better in body position again, because it's been years since I've been out on a track, and getting back into these body positions and getting your knee on the ground is it's something you gotta, you know, kind of get good at. You don't just do it, you gotta learn and practice. But once you get the hang of it and you start getting comfortable with it, it's pretty damn cool to find out how hard you could push the sides of your tires, which is really neat. But if you haven't done this and you're interested in this kind of stuff, I would highly recommend a kart track. Kart tracks are generally fairly expensive to ride, and you will have so much fun out here. I did this M1 GP for the first time at Santa Maria kart track, and it was an absolute blast. And we did it on these little 50cc dirt bikes, and man was it cool. I honestly signed my kid up for it thinking it'll be good for him to get out there and learn, and man did I learn a lot and have a ton of fun being able to get your knees down on the track, get comfortable in your riding position. A lot could be learned on a little tiny bike like this, especially because it doesn't haul ass, as you can see. But man, is it a ton of fun to get out here and rip. Well, potentially rip, huh? Because you can really feel how hard you can push these tires, and when you get done you can see they start balling up these little chunks of rubber from pushing so hard, which is cool. You can see how sticky these things actually get. Even these hard Grom tires are freaking pretty damn sticky for what they are. But the main reason why I'm out here is tomorrow I'm going to get the R7 on the real track here, and that is going to obviously be loads of fun. But I really need the practice again. Woo! Oh, kind of felt that front go a little bit. Actually brought my Ninja 400 out here and tried to ride it the day before. I only gave it like 2 laps. Oh, I got a guy catching up to me already. Everyone has bigger, faster bikes than I got. And are probably way better than me. Come on though, Grom! Nope. There goes the Husky. Oh, look at him backing that thing in. Tires are definitely warm now, but it is pretty impressive how much angle you could put on these little bikes and how strong that tire grip is. There we go, that was better. Getting a little better. Pretty hard to beat. The lesson of today: learn mini moto before you try and do this kind of crap on a real bike, especially out on the streets. That is definitely how I crashed. I mean, if we crash here, it's a little bit safer. Alright, let's see if we can get this guy right. There we go. Coming in hot. Hard, heavy front braking only. Oh, get her over. Alright, the last corner here. Now that is a ton of fun, guys.